So good day, sir. I am Yuan Gabriel Abogadi and a second-year Bachelor of Science in Computer Science student from Ampua Malayan Colleges, Mindanao. Today, I will be presenting my final project for CS 107 Information Management. It is entitled the Foodhub Management Information System for Mami's Food Hub. So it is a small food establishment located in Digo City, Davao del Sur. So Mami's Food Hub is a sole proprietorship owned by Miss Lolita Siton. So it serves affordable student-friendly meals, snacks, and even beverages, including rice bowls, burgers, waffles, and milk teas, and others, with prices ranging from 25 pesos only to 125 and above, depending on the size. It is also known for the Atambayan spot in the community and caters primarily to students and even local residents in Digo City. So the existing system they use is before the system introduced, all operations at Mami's Food Hub were completely manual and paper-based. That's right, paper-based. So orders were written by hand in a notebook. Daily sales were tallied in a ledger. Inventory was counted physically at the end of each shift. So and supplies also or supply orders were placed through verbal phone calls to suppliers. So with no digital records of any kinds, so it's just memorizing and stuff. So the problem statement for this is this manual setup led to serious operational problems. So even the owner reported to me the calculation errors ranging from 3 to 4 times per week, more or less, and 45 to 60 minutes, more or less, of manual sales tallying every single day. That's right, every single day. And stock shortages at least twice a month. Stock shortages at least twice a month because there was no way to monitor inventory in real time. There was also no data. That's right, no data which products were selling best, making purchasing decisions purely based on just memory. So these problems were the driving force behind this project, no? So so the project objective was the system was designed with six objectives. So the first one is to digitalize order. We use phones now or laptops whenever available. It supports mobile laptops, tablets, and others. And process through a POS module. The second one is to implement a real-time automatic inventory reduction. The third one is to generate automated sales report. The fourth one is to manage products and categories digitally, so all digital. The fifth one is to enforce a role-based access control. And last but not least, the sixth one is to deploy the system as an installable program web app, accessible from any device. So it is going to be an easy install. So for the scope and limitations, the system covers order management, inventory tracking, sales reporting, staff attendance, supply recording, product category management, promo codes if there is any, and settings. It does not include multi-branch support because there is only one Mami's Foodhub branch. It does not support customer-facing online ordering, delivery platform integration, or any payroll and accounting features. So where the conceptual framework, the system follows the input process output model. So inputs include customer order data, employees credentials, inventory quantities, production information, supply records, attendance logs, and even promo codes. They are processed through five core modules: the order processing, the inventory deduction, the sale aggregation, staff authentication, and supply recording. So the outputs are digital order records real time inventory status, automated sales reports, even printed receipts, optional. But I have printed receipts made and role-based dashboard. So for the ERD, we have the database was designed with 15 tables following a normalized relationship schema. Key entities including employee, order details, products, category, inventory, items, ingredients log, supply details, attendance, product size, and promo. So that's 15 on total. So all relationships are enforced through primary and foreign keys constraints. And the schema has been normalized to third normal form. So the database implementation is about on the database side. The system implements three views: the VW daily revenue, the VW inventory status, and the VW product sales. So which powers the reporting dashboard. It is also stored. It is also has five stored procedures for order placement, order details management, inventory updates, restocking, and sales reporting, plus two user-defined functions for subtotal computation and restock threshold tracking. So for the program demo, so the deployed system includes 11 modules, which is the POS cashier interface, which allows staff to take orders digitally with automatic total computation, and the kitchen board displays real-time. The sales dashboard generates automated revenue summaries. The inventory stuff like low stocks, it tracks the stocks. The management handles employee registration and access levels. And last one is the system is fully installable in PWA, which means it can be easily installed from Google. It works on phone, tablet, computer, as I said earlier, without an app store of so. So these are some of the proof of deployments. Um, you have the conclusion. So the food hub management information system successfully digitalized the core operation of Mommy's Food Hub, eliminating the paper-based order tracking, manual inventory counting, and even handwritten sales tallying. So the system was built using vanilla JavaScript and super-based PostgreSQL, deployed on Vercel also, and is now live and accessible. It directly addressed all the five sub-problems identified in the study. So maybe for my recommendation for the future development, I recommend adding an online ordering module for customers, a digital loyalty rewards, advanced demanding forecasting, passwords, authentication using Bike a proper supplier maybe, and multi-brand scalability if there are to support future expansion if possible. So that's all. Thank you, sir. So good day again, sir. I will be presenting my project now. It is uploaded in the Vercel. As you can see, you have this. You can easily access this on the website, the Mami's Food Hub, or you can also access it as an application. It also has an application in mobile. If you want to, you can easily download it from the Google using PWA method. So you have the login area. Let's just use the application. You have the login area, so you have your username and password. You cannot sign up because Mommy's Food Up is a one area or one what do you call this? One branch only. So you can just add, and the admin can just manually add the account of the staff. There are only 5 or 6 staff, so it is very easy to create. You gotta sign up because there are no outsiders allowed in this application. So the admin and the admin password. So admin 123 as a password as usual. Consider just wait a bit. Hey, admin user, you have the gate ship. So you have here the POS or the cashier area. You can see we have the popular, you have the rice bowls, you have different types of dishes. You can easily pick here, like snacks, rice bowls, etc. But easy also manually search if you want, like chicken, you have Sprite, you have the spam. So here we have the current order details area. We have the takeout and the delivery. For delivery, you can just add platform like Foodpanda or Grab and driver name, number, or ID. You also the cash and Gcash supports. And for ordering, the example, let's order, sir, I want a chicken, fried chicken, or chicken popsicles. So let's have this one. Do you want to add rice, sir? Yes, I want to add rice. So 85 pesos plus 20 for the rice. And what do you want for the drinks, sir? I want a drinks. I want the hot choco, for example. So add this. I want two, and I want another coffee. Order. As you can see, the total is added. So 125. Sir, your total is 125. But sir, I have a promo code. So let me see your promo code. I have the save 10 promo code. Save 10. Okay. So your total became from from 125, you just save 10%. So you save 12.50 pesos. So you only have 112.50. So sir, what do you want to add? So for hot coffee, no cream or no sugar for coffee. No sugar for coffee as a note. You want. For cash, normal 112, normal total. For GCash, there are a little bit of fee. GCash fee 4 pesos because for cash out area. So we have 112. So I received 1,000 pesos. Or as you can see, the change is manually added or automatically added. You receive 200, 500, but also a cashier card just easily input. Like for example, I received 50, I received 100, 120. So for ease access, you can just easily tap these ones. For cash, So let me repeat your order, sir. So you have chicken popsicles plus add rice times one only. You have hot choco. You have hot coffee. For coffee, no sugar. So your total is 125. You discounted 12.50 pesos. Your total is you gave me 200 and you change 87. Then you can easily place the order. As you can see, you have the receipt here. We can easily print this out. But as far as I remember, Mommy's Food Hub doesn't have the printer. So for receipt purposes, customer can just picture this one because Mommy's Food Hub doesn't have printer. This is optional only. You can easily print this one. And then after that, it will go here in the kitchen board. This is where the kitchen jobs to do. For example, it's gonna accept this one as it's cooking, the cooking and ready, then done. So bam. You can easily refund this one. You have the pending, accepted, cancel, you have the refresh. Then for ingredients, we can add ingredients. This is all the ingredients. We have, oh no, we have the out of stock. We have the whipping cream. We have no stock for the whipping cream. So you cannot um, sell sell this creamy avocado frappe. As you can see, ingredients out. Because we don't have a whipping cream. We don't have a whipping cream. If you want to restock, you can just easily restock this one. We have low stock disposable cups, so we only have remaining disposable cups. So for caramel macchiato, we need a disposable cup, so meaning it is low ingredient only. As you can see, we have the warning sign here. Then for the promos, you can easily add promos as an admin. You can add promos, you can present fixed amount. For settings, you can easily change the receipt. You can change the color, the theme. You can change the color, blah blah blah. Then you can change from PHP to SD, Euro, etc. Passwords. For admin panel cashier, normal cashier cannot access this one. So we have the best selling. We have the reports. We have the attendance, checkout. We have the staff. So the ingredients adding, you can add ingredients, you have the menu adding, you have the promos, staff arrangement, and settings. So let's log in as cashier. This is the admin GUI. So let's log in as cashier. Cashier 1. As you can see, it is waiting for approval because, as I said earlier, it's not for outsiders. So you cannot just easily log in. You have the attendance here. As you can see, this is for the admin user, the admin title. You can easily accept this one, just like that. Bam. So as you can see, as a normal cashier, you cannot add ingredients. You cannot add ingredients. You cannot access admin panel. It needs passwords. You can see, admin can easily access this one. So we have the ingredients. This is normal cashier stuff. You can access everything except the admin panel and the ingredients adding. You can see. So for we have the best selling items for the reports. Yeah, we can easily export this for Excel file, as you can see. So these are the sales so far. So we have the sale, dine in, cash. You see, this is the one we sold earlier, 112. Then we have the attendance. You can easily check this one out. Check out. You can see, it automatically check out the cashier. So that's all for my project, sir. Thank you so much for your time and God bless you, sir.